Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt out of almond milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of unsweetened almond milk, ensuring it's plain and free of any added sugars. Next, grab 1 probiotic capsule, which will provide the beneficial cultures. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch ready. This will help achieve that lovely thick texture we all enjoy in yogurt. Now let's prepare our base. Pour the 4 cups of almond milk into a saucepan and gently heat it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps to denature proteins and create a better texture. Once heated, whisk in the 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch until it's completely smooth. Then, let the mixture cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for the probiotics to thrive. With our mixture cooled, it's time for fermentation. Carefully open 1 probiotic capsule and stir its contents thoroughly into the almond milk base. Next, pour this inoculated mixture into clean, sterilized jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Now, place these jars in a warm spot, like a yogurt maker or an oven with the light on, maintaining 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 hours. This allows the cultures to work their magic. After fermentation, your yogurt will be ready for its final step, chilling. Transfer the jars to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This cooling period is essential for the yogurt to thicken further and develop its full texture. Once chilled, your delicious homemade almond milk yogurt is ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. It's perfect with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.